Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a song from HWASA. I think that is the first time here on Growing Guitar. She does So Cute. And who is she? I looked it up, and she is one South Korean artist and a former member, maybe they're active still, I'm not sure, but a member of the girl group called Mamamoo. And she does this on her own now, so this is how we're gonna handle So Cute with a Kpop on second. Let's go into it. So Kpop on second, that's the best scenario for us, and then we have a couple of chords. I believe we have 7 chords. So let's start with C, and that's how the song starts. So we're gonna play third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then next we have E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the 3 bar chords next. The first one is F. So you're going to place the index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there. And then you go with third A, third D, and second G. Then you take the exact very same grip and move it up to this position with the bar on 4th now. Everything else follows. So that will be 6 on A, 6 D, and 5th G. And that will be the G sharp, okay? And then you take that grip and go one step down the road to the 3rd fret with the index finger. And everything else follows there. So 5th A, 5th D, and 4th G. And that will be the G. We go with this G with bar version here because it fits very well with the rest surrounding chords there. Then we have the D, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, so let's handle this with the strumming pattern. It's about 4 down. So if you grab the first chord C, 1 round goes like this. You notice on the 3rd down, I play on the higher strings, and all the other downs, I play on the bass strings. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. So 4 downs, 1 string round. Let's start with the first verse. You're gonna play C, 4 string rounds, then E minor, 4, then F, 4, then G sharp 2, and G 2. That is 1 round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. C, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 3, 4, F, 3, 4, G sharp, and G. And then into the second round. Okay, so that is the verse play. Then a pre-chorus 38 seconds in. You can play either 4 string rounds on these following chords: F, E minor, D, and G. Or you can play just 1 down with pauses in between. And then the pauses have to be the length of as if you would play these 4 string rounds, okay? Because the timing is, of course, very important here. So F4, E minor 4, D4, and G4. Only 1 round for that, and then we're gonna jump into the chords. 53 seconds in. Starts with So Cute. I believe she sings about the kids. That is supposed to be so cute. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's what she is aiming for, I believe. Now, what you're gonna play here is the same as the verse, okay? So no changes there. C4, E minor 4, F4, G sharp 2, G2. Played for 2 rounds, and that is the first round. Second round is almost the same, guys. You're gonna play the verse play. This time only 1 round, not 2. 1 round of that C minor and so on. And then you're gonna go into the second pre-chorus, play it in the same way as the first one. And the second chorus, again, exactly the same as the first we just learned. After that second chorus, we're gonna go into the bridge part that starts about 2 minutes and 33 seconds. And this time we're gonna use that A minor. You're just gonna play A minor, G, and then F, and then a longer pause, and then back to G, and that's it. Okay, so only that part is the bridge part, and then you're gonna play the final parts of the song. It's the final chorus slash outro, And what you're going to play there is the chorus slash verse play. It's the same for 4 full rounds. And that, my friends, is how you handle So Cute by HWASA. HWASA, cool name. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Pretty simple, straightforward with the strumming. So good luck with this one. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to support me here in your way. Leave me a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Like this tutorial, and be back next time. Play tuned.